Go.
Okay. Hi, my name is Richard. I'm from IoT Stockton, and I wanted to introduce some of the people that are going to be helping me with this video. Vic, if you don't mind, can you come on in here real fast?
My name is Victor, and I'm going to be doing the order of operations, go through the unit and how it works and stuff. Greg?
And I'm Greg. I'll show you how to use manometer on a couple different things, taking your pressure on your inducer motor and your gas valve.
Awesome. Okay, I'm going to show you some components of our high efficiency unit. We're going to be working today with a high efficiency unit. Sorry for that, but yeah, we are. First of all, I want to start up top. We're going to be doing, this is our flue gas here, and this is our intake for our combustion box, which would be indicated here. This is our igniter. The igniter actually lights the gas for our combustion box, and also we have a flame sensor, which is here. We have a fan limit switch, which is here, these orange and white wires here. And then we have our pressure switch. Our pressure switch now creates, our inducer motor creates a vacuum for our pressure switch to close. And then we have our gas regulator right here. This would, once it gets a signal for 24, it releases the gas, more gas into the combustion box to actually create a flame and heat your house, or your house, apartment, whatever. Our junction box is here, which allows 120 to the actual system. Our door switch here. Our transformer here. Our board here. And also our thermostat, which is here.
Alright, my name is Victor, and we're going to go over the sequence of operations. The first step is to call for heat. Call for heat. Inducer motor is going to start running while the pressure switch closed. The glow coils will be energized, as you can see, allowing 24 volts to the gas valve, allowing it to open. Flame is proven will ignite after the flame ignites. The glow coils will be de-energized. So after the glow coils are energized, the flame is proven, keeping the gas valve open. Then the fan limit control will close. Then the heat exchanger heat up. Once the limit switch control closes, the blower will soon start. After the blower starts, the room will meet temperature. Turning this off. After the temperatures demand, the 24 volts of the gas pressure will be determined, allowing the burners to shut off. The inducer will stop running. The fan limit will cool down and open. And last thing, the blower will come to a stop and set off. And I'm Victor. Peace out. IoT, baby.
Hi, I'm Greg, and today I'm going to show you how to check for a gas leak. First thing, got a little bit of bubble solution here. All you got to do is put a little bit of water inside with some dish soap. Cheap, easy route. Take it and put it in your spray bottle. Spray a little bit around your gas fittings. Wait a second, see if you get any bubbles. And it looks like we're good here. And next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to use your manometer to check pressures. First pressure we're going to check is going to be your gas inlet pressure, which typically reads at about 7 inches in the water column. And with this, you want to make sure you got your gas valve off. You want to come right here, and on the gas valve, you got two different sets of Allens. One right here, this one is your inlet pressure, and this one here is your outlet pressure, which actually is your working pressure. Now that I got that out, all we're going to do is turn your manometer on. Zero it out. Hook your end to here, to the outlet or to the inlet pressure, and then you want to come over here to your gas valve, and for your inlet pressure, all you need to do is turn your ball valve on. Should have about 7. We got 6.5 here. A little less than normal, but it'll do. Next thing we're going to do is shut your gas valve back off. Remove your manometer. Put your Allen back in. Next thing we're going to do is check the working pressure or the outlet pressure. With that, you're going to take this one off. Once you got that off, hook the manometer to the outlet side. Make sure your gas is on, and then you want to call for heat. Once you call for heat, your inducer motor, your pressure switch, glow coil, and then we'll get our reading. Right now I've got the glow coils igniting. And there we go. We got 2.7, 2.8. Now the way to adjust that, come here, take this brass screw off, once you get that brass screw off, you got a plastic screw inside. Turn it one way, increases the pressure, turn the other, decreases. One way decrease. Want about 3.5. And that's about as close as we're going to get it. And that's how you check your gas pressures.